Welcome to technical drawing. We need to find length of an arc CDE. But to draw that CDE, first we need to draw a pentagon. So first we will draw a pentagon ABCDE. Then we need to find arc length CDE. So first we will draw pentagon by 54 degree method. You can draw this pentagon by any method, 54, 108, all are same. So I'm drawing it by 54 degree method, where I have to draw one line, then I have to mark 54 degree from both the points A and B. Wherever it will cut, from that point we can draw a circle. Then I will take A to B and I'll cut on both the sides, left and right, and from center I will take point up. So this way I will get pentagon. See, this is 54 degree. This is O. And I'll write naming ABCDE. So you'll have an idea that we have done pentagon ABCDE. Then we need to draw a curve passing through CDE, which is already there. I have to just darken it, and we need to find the arc length of CDE. See, then I'll draw horizontal line. Then I will bisect CE. So this is M, so MC equals to EM. So we'll take MC and we'll cut from E. We'll get point N. So all these three sides are same. See this, MC, EM and NE. Now I'll take N to C and I will draw an arc. After drawing an arc, I will join O to E. And from E I will draw perpendicular. So I can construct perpendicular, or I can take with protractor. I am taking with protractor. So wherever this line will intersect with that previous arc, which we have done it from N, so that length would be your arc length. And EF, I'll write this as F. So EF is equal to 84. So I'll write length of an arc CDE is equal to 84. I can write EF is equal to 84. Or I will write length of an arc CDE is equal to 84 mm. So I hope everyone understood this sum. Thank you.